Morning children. For today we are going to learn how to add, subtract and multiply the algebraic expression. So today we will learn addition, subtraction and multiplication. So let us see an example for addition. Add. Let me take an example. So from your exercise I am taking one question. A minus B plus AB. A minus B plus AB, comma B minus C plus BC. B minus C plus BC, and the third expression is C minus A. C minus A plus AC. Yes, this is the question. B A minus B plus AB, B minus C plus BC, and third expression is C minus A plus AC. Now we have to add this. Okay, so the solution is here. How to add, you can see. We are doing it by horizontal method, children. There are two methods, vertical method and horizontal method. I am doing it by horizontal method. Try to understand it, because further for simplification this method will be required more. So I am teaching this method and try to understand it properly. So your first expression is A minus B plus AB. Okay, now this is one expression, plus second expression B minus C plus BC. Okay, now the third expression plus third expression C minus A plus AC. Okay, now all is plus. So nothing has to be done. You just open the bracket by simply putting it. A minus B plus AB. Now here simply plus BC minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus AC. Okay. Now bring all the like terms in one place. Now bring all the like terms. Here is equal to, you can give implies. You can give, bring all the like terms. Like terms means here variable A. So C, where is variable A? A. So A minus A. Here minus B. You can see here B plus B. Okay. Then AB is there. AB is there? No AB. You have minus C plus C. Minus C plus C. Then you have plus AB plus, you can write it as plus BC plus AC. Okay. So any more terms you are having? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the terms you have written. A minus A, you can cancel it. Minus 0. Here minus and plus. Since it is minus here and it is plus here, so we can cancel these terms. Cancel this also. Now you get, simply your answer is AB plus BC plus AC. So this is your answer. Hope you have understood the addition, how to do addition of algebraic expression. Now the next example will be for subtraction. Subtraction. Let us take one question. Question number 4A of exercise 9.1. Your question number 4A. This is subtract. Okay. You have subtract what? 4A minus 7AB. We write the question from here. 4A minus 7AB plus B plus 3B plus 12. Plus 3B plus 12 from what? From 12A minus 9AB. 12A minus 9AB plus 5B minus 3. Plus 5B minus 3. Okay. So your question, let me check once again. 4A minus 7AB plus 3B plus 12 from 12A minus 9AB plus 5B minus 3. Yes. So this is your question. Now let us solve it. Whenever you subtract, remember this. Whatever the term after from has to be written first. So this is after from has to be written first. So we will be writing this first. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay. Now this in bracket and then minus the other expression. The expression is 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Okay. Now first expression you write as it is, implies 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now here minus sign is there. So when you are opening the bracket, you will have to change the sign of each and every term. So this is plus 4a, inside the bracket it is plus. So you will do it minus. Minus 4a. Here it is minus. You will make it as plus 7ab. Okay. And this is plus, so it will become minus. Minus 3b. This is plus, so plus will become minus 12. Okay. This way we have changed the sign properly. This is minus 4a plus 7ab minus 3b and minus 12. Okay, yes. Now bring the like terms. Like terms means this is 12a. So variable is a. Search any a term. Yes. Minus 4a. This and this one. Then minus 9ab. So is there any ab term? Yes. Plus 7ab is ab term. Okay. Then plus 5b. Plus 5b, is there any b term? Minus 3b. Yes, you have minus 3b. Then minus 3 and minus 12. Okay. Now what you have to do? A you write as it is for the variable term as it is. Now 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4, how much you get? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have 18. You have here minus 9 and here plus 7. So minus 9 plus 7 is minus 2ab. Okay. Here plus 5 and minus 3. So plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2. You will do minus and that is sign of greater number, that is plus 2b. Then here minus 3 and minus 12. So both minus minus. So you will be adding it. 12 plus 3, 15 and the sign will be minus. So this is minus 15. So this is your answer after subtraction. So got it? I hope so you have understood how to subtract. Be careful while you subtract. Whenever after from, the expression has to be written first. And when you minus, you are going to change the sign. When you open this whole bracket, you are going to change the sign of all the terms which is present in this second bracket. Then you just arrange the like terms and then add and subtract, and this is your answer. Got it? Now going for the multiplication part. Multiplication of algebraic expressions. How we are going to do it? May see multiplication. Now when it comes to multiplication, let us take an example for multiplication. The exercise part we will see on later. Just understand how to multiply. When it is given multiply, you have suppose 3 terms. 2ax into 3by into you have 5y. Okay. So when you multiply, first you will be multiplying 2. See the numericals, numerical coefficients. 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Then you have a, only one a is there. So a into x into b into y into y. Okay. So you have 2 5 are 10, 10 3 are 30. So 30, a is only 1. So a, x, b and y, 2 y's are there. So 1 power, so it becomes 2. You have studied in powers and exponents. You have to use this law. A raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So why both these bases are same? You just need to multiply, add it, add the powers. So this is your answer after multiplication. So when you multiply all the numericals, coefficients, and then the variable. The variables you need to multiply, and if it comes like this, if you have the same terms, you need to add the powers. So this is how you multiply. More questions on this multiplication we'll be doing in the exercise. I hope so you have understood addition, subtraction and multiplication of algebraic expressions. Thank you for today. Next in the other class.